Line construction 1. Let's start with bisecting a line. Suppose AB is the given line. First, with A as the center and a radius greater than half of AB, draw arcs above and below the line. After that, with B as the center and using the same radius, draw arcs to intersect the previous arcs at points C and D. Finally, join C and D. This line cuts AB at point E. Hence, AE equals EB, which is half of AB. Additionally, line CD bisects AB at right angles. This is a simple and reliable method to bisect a line accurately. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.